Good afternoon, 6th grade students. I hope you have had a fantastic day at school. This afternoon we will be learning about how to solve addition and subtraction equations. Not too difficult. It's all stuff we have done in the past. We're just adding the variable in. It's not too difficult. So, in order to solve equations, we're first going to start by solving equations by subtracting. So we have an equation here with a variable, x plus 4 equals 38. Now, some of these steps you may be able to look at it and automatically know the answer, but it's very important that you write down every single step exactly how I show you, because it's going to be very, very, very helpful for you when you get into the higher grades and more advanced math, where one problem could take an entire page to solve. But don't get scared, we're not doing those problems today. So in order to solve this problem, I need to think x plus 4 equals 38. What number plus 4 equals 38? So I know that this is an addition problem. Opposite of addition is subtraction. I need to subtract to get my answer. My goal is to get the variable, in this case it's x, all by itself in the problem. In order to do that, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. The equal sign here, that's the divider. I need to subtract 4 from both sides because 4 minus 4 is 0. So this gets me x by itself on this side, bring down the equal sign, and 38 minus 4 is 34. So that leaves me with x equals 34. So of course we have to get to story problems. What would a math lesson be without a story problem? When the kitten was brought home from the animal shelter, it weighed 15 ounces. After 2 years, the kitten had grown into a cat weighing 120 ounces. How many ounces did the cat gain? So the key word is gain. How many ounces did the cat gain? Gain indicates addition. So it started out at 15 ounces, and I'm using G as my variable for how many ounces the cat gained. And I know that in the end, it equaled 120 ounces. So I need to look again at my problem. It's an addition problem. Opposite of addition is subtraction, so I need to subtract 15 from both sides because I want to get my variable, g, all by itself. So 15 minus 15 is 0, plus g. Drop down the equal sign. 120 minus 15 is 105. So, of course, 0 plus anything is the anything. In this case, it's g. So my answer would be g equals 105 ounces. Always got to remember to label our work so we know what it is we are working with. Solving equations by adding. We just finished solving equations by subtracting. Now we're going to look at adding. C minus 12 equals 43. Now just like the other one, we want to get the variable all by itself. In this case, we are looking at a subtraction problem. Opposite of subtraction is addition. So I need to add 12, this number right here, to both sides of the problem. Negative 12 plus 12, or minus 12 plus 12, is 0. So that leaves me C by itself. C equals 43 plus 12. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So C equals 55. Let's try one more problem. X minus 43 equals 12. Again, this is a subtraction problem. So I need to add to get the variable by itself. I need to add 43 because 43 is the same side as the variable. 43 on both sides. Minus 43 plus 43 is 0. So that leaves x all by itself. X equals 12 plus 43. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. So x equals 45. And of course we have one more story problem. Susan saved $87.11. Susan's savings are $9.62 less than Doreen's savings. How much has Doreen saved? So let's use D for Doreen's savings. We know that Susan saved $9.62 less than Doreen. This less means it's going to be a subtraction problem. So D for Doreen minus how much Susan's, the $9.62 equals how much Susan saved, the $87.11. Since it is a subtraction problem, I need to do the opposite to get how much Doreen saved all by itself, which is D. So we need to add $9.62 to both sides of the problem. Minus $9.62 plus $9.62 is 0. That leaves me with the variable all by itself. So D equals $87.11 plus $9.62. And again, as we remember with learning how to add decimals, we line up the decimals, which I have done right here. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 6 is 7, drop down the decimal, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 plus 8 is 9. So that means Doreen has saved $96.73. Okay, that is our lesson for today, and it's your turn to try. So in your textbook, please turn to page 92 and 93. Your homework is to complete problems 1 through 4 and 12 through 15. Make sure you complete that before tomorrow and bring it to class ready to grade. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you tomorrow.